methods no tie. So obeja powder no environment no mama. And there is also one item I use sometimes we think it's always clean. They are napkins. Napkins and rags. Napkins and rags. Those two things, they are very dangerous harbors of omo harbor niama. Because will say, oh, no, and yes, sir. Into fire ape. Would you clean it heavy, no? A clean napkin, no asabefa. A clean mau, no asabefa. Would you clean another machine? What's afa? Would you clean another thing? A clean mau. Would you the only man is a wee, no, wahoro. Into wahoro, no, a clean. But what the paper that's to wahano. Say napkins and rags. A very, very, very easy harbors of contamination and microbial agents. Because our consciousness, in your mind, a clean napkin. And ramisi, I will come into an enemy cleaning. Now, enumerate myself for Ochena. But you forget, sir, as Odia paper way so no. Odia pick dust. Osako use no another place. Dust now pick wahano. What they call ho. Pam Jomuti. And now what the paper machine is so no. Oh, ye na crowd. So we'll try powder and seconds. So you are trying uchi. No, ya no weapon. Where ye appear, no as I know. No approve kakra. Now side the ashaho. Now, sir, So, most of the time, if you want to use the napkin for wet cleaning now, you can soak in a sanitizing agent like the 70% alcohol or even absolute alcohol. You know, a bit fast. Now, after the ode, a cleaning. But you must make sure, say, napkin, a clean napkin. Pam John, what you say? Acquire to set out when I use na mechanic. The consciousness that is not clean. It is something simple. Behuna I introduce contamination. Just because to you it's clean. But and you clean, sir. Yes. Ask your question. Maybe how we do it.
Pacho Jennifer.
Okay.
Pacho person maybe say. Say maybe capsules no. Owie powder no. Aye, and yaman, obey me the first, the rag na. Approve, we are now the alcohol 70% na. As I another cleaning.
Are you talking about capsule polishing? And as a machine cleaning?
Both sides.
Okay. Into machine cleaning, the advice is use vacuum, no. The battery powder, no. But with the capsule polishing, you know. Who need capsule polisher? Normally, you will use a clean napkin to polish. Now, if you baby, sir. And no, we don't advise say use any liquid thing. Fakoka capsule, no. Bamjouti. And no to mean for liquid and capsule shells, no. Until a honey dear, you cannot use that liquid there. But say a containers now we use no more will clean it there. Fine. That one you can use that to clean and make it dry. But with equipment in it, it's better to use there so that you suck all the powders. Then when powders in now suck here, now you want to sanitize the equipment. No way you use alcohol solution now. Why not to sanitize?
Pacho capsules ni clean, you know. Cotton is advisable, so bet me use cotton there paper.
I know people use cotton. I don't think there is anything wrong with it. Yeah. Because even sometimes we use the cotton to cover it up before the capping. But enkawunya material and release linters and those things. better. Any more? Okay. Enti uye saa nneɛma wei nyinaa na wo keep records. Cleaning no keep records. Record keeping no eboa eya na ye difficult but eno na eboa ma ye hodi obi responsible ana obi ye adwuma. Unse Ghana oba ye washrooms cleaning no. Obeba baby yemfa ne say ahe ya ye we. Ye wo cleaners wa ha meboa. Ye wo cleaners wa ha. Enti it is assumed they say omo na wo say omo clean bebia enya sa. Enti se me ba no pa me na me ye cleaner ma ba no pa. E wo say me mo be ha. Na ma mo be na obi anso amehwe a. Ye be den hu say ma mo be ha. Pamcho mo ti ase. But imagine say paper bibo dan ye chi. Say e wo say o mo bo 8 a.m. Wo mo be a wa sign. O mo be 12 p.m. na wa sign. 6 p.m. na wa sign say wo na wo be mo be ye. Worst case I obey to me I say oba be ye no fast one be no wa sign. Because I was signing sa adinti no. There is that pressure on you to make sure say oh yeah then. Oh yeah. Because who sign a penetrate say oh yeah then. Oh yeah. Into who sign no one ye no obi ba no who say I had a more be ni ye kra. Why na yeah. Responsibility need that also. And yes sir. By ye journey tra ni e ka say we na ye cleaner. Into onu na we say o cleaner. Send open no ben. What you say? One here cry or cacra was abaya waka. Say I don't know how to say. Normally when you go outside, who say even washrooms no paper board energy. Say it was so every 2 hours obey nipa kro obey no or ya no why then was sign. Say you'll be responsibility only option be than to say obey then obey. But say you be a responsibility. Obi abeja ne saa na ye nyina ye hwe nti nipa no obetumi aye ase wo ye ase wonye ne responsibility but no di agoro. Okay na maintenance equipment ni maintenance one maintain equipment na be sentem nti maintenance nti there was a calibrate na wa calibrate se na be ya wo ye sure say a way quantity na was say way na e den ama mon kai say ya ka say overdosing underdosing say was say adini weigh 1 kg na e weigh 1.5 ni mo e 1.5 nso scale ni say 1 kg because yen calibrate ye ana ni calibration na twem enti a shift kakra but obia enim enti wo calibrate ya na a kire wo say oh say wo be ya bottling na me sure say in-house engineers omo here to make sure say failing no ni nyina ye pe meboa say na be ye duro no ebi nya more ebi nya less any sa niama no